Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now here you will find it, language settings, click on it and here as you see you can manage your language. Select any language here and it will be saved. And that's it for today. That's how to find language settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.